मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
Silence speaks 1,000 words. This belongs to the millions being forcibly silenced. NDTV and Vedanta have launched a nationwide campaign in dynamic support of the cause of the girl child, rapidly disappearing from our census count. Battling rampant infanticide, feticide, gender bias, abuse and violence, their survival rate remains bleak. The campaign has decided to concentrate on the cause of girls in the 0 to 5 years age bracket, concentrating on nutrition, education, health and fundraising.
Really want to prosper, if you really want to make our nation great, this is the one mission I'm taking it to my heart, taking it forward to make sure no child, especially the girls, will be deprived of food, education and the health.
We are one of the youngest countries in the world, and our children are our future, and the girls are a very important part of that.
The key is, men are the problem, women are the solution.
Join the movement, lead our girls to a safe future and a future that secures their voice.
Nine a.m. in Mumbai on a Saturday morning saw the city's artists and children painting together for India's girl child.
Well, one couldn't have asked for a more enthusiastic start to the NDTV Vedanta Our Girls, Our Pride campaign. Here at the High Street Phoenix in Mumbai, we have 300 plus kids painting, and also what we have this morning is the band Rang. Lots of excitement, actually an early start by weekend standards here in Mumbai. Lots of children, lots of art, there's going to be some lovely music here, and we're hoping that by the end of the day there'll be awareness and there'll be some change in mindsets somewhere in this country so that our girls really and truly become our pride. Here are these wonderful kids who are painting, who are trying to address the social problem through their art. Most of the paintings here are focused on the idea of the girl child, allowing her to be born and then giving her the opportunities to excel.
These people are killing this girl child, and this Bharat Mata is protecting her.
Ranjit Dahiya is going to be drawing something for us on this huge canvas. If I can just have Ranjit, if you could come down and speak to us for just a while. Ranjit, what are you going to be creating on this canvas today?
Yeah, I'm painting Priyanka Chopra with a kid. So because Priyanka is like a brand ambassador of this campaign also, and she's also like one of the girl who is well settled
and a lot.
Yeah.
Tell me, what are you painting today? What is the idea behind what you're creating on this canvas?
Yeah, the idea is that if we educate girls, they'll definitely do wonders.
Education of girls, again, a very, 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 very important issue.
The event saw eminent Mumbaikars supporting the cause.
For starters, let's start by saying that you want a granddaughter and not a grandson. this common kind of perception कि मुझे पोता चाहिए और पोती नहीं, I think is something we need to do away with. When it comes to saying equality, it starts with inheritance rights. It starts with making sure that your girls are properly educated, safe and absolutely economically empowered. So in Hindi, as they say, Mahila ko Shiksha, Suraksha aur Atmanirbharta. Unfortunately, we stand in the South Mumbai today and the facts reveal that the maximum number of abortions happen in South Mumbai. So it's absolutely an apology of a situation and I hope we can do away with this.